Hello everyone, it's David here at Digitrains, and today I have another sound installation video for you, this time on a Bachmann C Class locomotive. John, our workshop manager, installed a Zimo MX644D sound decoder loaded with our ZS006AH active drive 700 class Drummond sound file for Zimo decoders, and a rail exclusive SP 40mm by 20mm by 7mm big boomer speaker. As this is an active drive sound file, that means your locomotive will coast when the throttle is reduced to 0 until you press F2, which acts as a brake, as can be seen here. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound fitted into your locomotives, please get in touch with our workshop team either via 01522 527 731 or email johng@digitrains.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.